Hi everyone! In optimizing your workflow, grasping the importance of our latest app upload functionality, where you can push the app to multiple devices at once, is paramount for elevating efficiency and streamlined app deployment. How can our enhanced app upload functionality transform your workflow? Number one, efficiency, where it streamlines the distribution process, optimizes the upload process, thereby saving time and effort. Number two, consistency, where it ensures same app version deployment across multiple devices. Number three, accessibility, where it facilitates easy access to the same application version on multiple devices in which it was installed. Today we'll explore how to upload and push an app simultaneously on multiple devices enrolled on AstroFarm. Open astrofarm.42gears.com and log into your account. As you can see, I've already signed into my account. In the landing page, you will see all the devices enrolled on the AstroFarm console. Let's select the devices in which you want to push the APK or IPA file. I'm going to upload an APK file here, so let me select a couple of Android devices. Now that the devices are selected, let's click on Upload App button, which is positioned on the top right. Upload App page appears. Click on Browse File, which will browse an APK from the system to upload. I'm going to choose Astro Contacts, and the upload process begins. The AstroContacts APK that I've chosen to upload is an internal app designed specifically as a centralized repository of all enterprise contacts. So once the app upload is done on the server, these two buttons will get enabled. Let's wait for the upload to finish so that we can click on Install App to install the app on the selected devices. So the progress of the installation can be tracked here. We could also minimize this and see the progress in a more compact view while we continue to use the platform. Let me expand back again. During installation, we can see a comprehensive insights of the installation status, detailing both successes and failures, accompanied by specific error messages, if any. Clicking on In Progress will display all the selected devices where the installation is in progress. Clicking on Failed will display all the selected devices where the installation has failed. Clicking on Install will display all the selected devices where the installation is done. There you go. We have accomplished in simultaneously deploying the app on multiple devices.